And look what I find. It's the lighthouse I wanted to go to.
And that's sort of the goal for this walk, I think, to get down there.
Good morning. We just start our day. We had breakfast and now we're gonna walk on the beach. Here is Starbucks on the beach. Starbucks in paradise. We leave our beautiful resort.
Hey guys, our second to last day. We have to go home tomorrow. And today we're just gonna take a little walk down the beach, take it nice and easy, maybe hang out in front of the resort a little bit more. We just took our COVID test to go home, and what's really nice here at the Intercontinental, it's complimentary and should take about 24 hours to get our results. So here's hoping we're COVID negative.
We hope we have the results so we can come back home. Otherwise, we're gonna be stuck.
So we just started our walk from the Intercontinental, walking towards the lighthouse. It's a nice, beautiful walk. You sort of walk in front of all the different resorts. This right here is the Riu Palace.
It's one of our favorites in Cancun.
It is, it's a beautiful hotel. As you can see, the ocean on this side of the hotel zone is just like warm bath water. You can just get a float and hang out. So relaxing.
Right now we are in front of Riu, and this is what you see here. It's so cute. I'm ready to see the ship, the breaking ship and the lighthouse. So we're walking like every time when we're in Cancun. We're walking. You can walk the entire. And look what I find. It's the lighthouse I wanted to go to. I don't know if you can see it on my camera, but it's the lighthouse. It's beautiful and it's hot, and it's gotten incredible colors. So let's go explore more. How clean this water is, and the sand is so soft.
Hotel zone is absolutely breathtaking. One of our favorite things. There's Chris. Look how happy she is walking on the beach. Is that the Cancun dance? Tequila shots at 8 a.m.
No tequila shots.
You dance like that, no tequila?
No tequila.
Oh. And off in the distance down there you can see the lighthouse, and that's sort of the goal for this walk, I think, to get down there.
Maybe that's where the people live. They put the palm trees in their balcony.
Oh, cool. Yeah, there is some condo complexes here too. But if you're not staying at a resort on the beach, you can come to any of these public access areas and just not use their stuff like these guys are over here. Bring your umbrellas, bring your coolers, hang out on the beach. You don't have to pay for a resort on the seaside to come and enjoy the beach. This is a really nice looking resort. This is the Hyatt Ziva. Beautiful pool. It looks like they have a dolphin program here as well. That's really cool. Looks like there's a swim with the dolphins activity to do here. Here's more. Just there's the lighthouse.
We have to take it through the water on the end to get to the lighthouse. And they have some rocks in here. And let's see if we can make it safe and sound to the end.
What'd you find, baby?
I find the engine.
Go ahead, still there, huh?
This is the engine of the boat.
The old aluminum boat.
But the boat is in bad condition. And now we're going to get this car, which I don't know what it is. So I can't.
It looks like one of those buoys that they leave out in the ocean to warn people of a rock or something.
There's people inside.
It's probably a nice spot to hang out. Here's the lighthouse. And if you ever wondered what the Cancun coast looks like naturally, something like this. The natural Cancun coast. And yep, no swimming, no lifeguards on duty down here.
Ben is walking to the lighthouse. You cannot go in the water, it's a red flag because there's no lifeguard on duty. So this was the first lighthouse here in Cozumel, and it's so cute.
Alright, I made it out to the very tip, right next to the lighthouse. I hope it's not too windy. Sort of a beautiful spot to come. It only took us about 20 minutes to walk from Intercontinental. Going down that way is the other where it starts going south in the hotel zone. And this is the north end of the hotel zone where our hotel is. Off in the distance, you can see the rest of Cancun. And behind the lighthouse is the island of Las Mujeres.
We're in the shade of the lighthouse, and it's so beautiful in here. We can see the waves splashing on the shore, on the rocks here, and there is big waves. Beautiful.
Can't believe how good that little tiny drone is, huh, baby?
Good job, babe.
It's really impressive.
Good job flying the drone, Ben. Hopefully it's a good footage. So
well,
if it is, we're gonna put it up on the video.
I was gonna say, I was thinking more that that little drone would never fly in wind like this, that you would need a bigger or more expensive one. But it did really good in the wind.
We're walking on the path behind the Hyatt Hotel. It's very windy over here. Is it the southwest? Southeast?
Well, now we're sort of heading south. We were on the north side of the hotel zone, and now we're starting to go south. The lighthouse is on the peak or the point of the hotel zone.
There is the lighthouse. Here is the iguanas. I see two of them. They are so cool. Iguana are amazing to me. One is left and one is still here at the lighthouse.
I guys, right ahead of us over there is the lighthouse, and then you walk behind the Hyatt here and it becomes this nice, beautiful big sand beach. As you can see from all the umbrellas that people brought, most of this is a public beach. Anybody comes here, way up by the chairs and umbrellas is more of another resort. Oh, maybe somewhere over there where the green blue awning is, that's where we had lunch the other day. It was really good. The backside of the Forum Cancun Mall. They're doing a little reconstruction on the backside of it here, but there's a food court on the second floor that is actually pretty reasonably priced. You can get $1.50 tacos up there and they're delicious. And as soon as we're done walking on the beach, I think we're going to go up there and have lunch again.
Okay, baby, where are you?
We are at the Forum Shops Cancun, upstairs in the food court area. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful view behind me.
And how is the food?
Food is great. Tacos are between $1 and $2 depending on what you get. The food is fresh. The chips are still hot from being fried up fresh.
Right.
The beers are at about $1.50 each. And the guacamole, freshly made and delicious. Alright guys, we got our food. We got a fried shrimp taco, a fried fish taco. These were about 50 pesos each, I think. 2 tacos al pastor, 22 pesos each. A beef taco, I think, was 40 pesos. And a chicken taco was like 30 pesos. And a Bohemian beer was 50 pesos, $2.50, and a Coke for 30 pesos. So if you're looking for a good, cheap lunch with an absolutely beautiful view, come to the Forum Shops Cancun.
The little plane is ready to board, and let's see, they are putting our suitcases in there. So now we have to go to Vegas.